We did add the ability to drill in 5-axis, which is pretty exciting. Previously, you could only drill, I guess, would be indexed 5-axis operations where you'd, lock the plane in place and then do your drilling. Now you can do it actually in 5-axis. So that was a good enhancement there. We just have an example part where we have holes that we need to drill at various locations on this globe, as you say, a half globe. Okay, so previously, if you wanted to, drill, you would have to drill in index 5-axis operations, meaning you'd have to index the setup on this face so that the z-axis is normal to the face, and then do a 2-axis drilling operation. Well, that obviously gets kind of tedious. You have a lot of different orientations that you need to drill. Now you can just go into the holes, and you have an option for 5-axis drilling. So let's just open this up a little bit. So now you can select the points, the drill points itself, and select the underlying surface that you're going to stay normal to. In this case, it's actually underneath the outer shell. As you see, it's this surface right here. Okay, so the drilling tool is always going to stay normal to that surface. And then the rest of the dialog is nearly identical to 2.5-axis drilling, where you set your drilling type and all the parameters for each type of drilling. And then you also have gouge checking capability like in other 5-axis operations, and you can also do sorting in 5-axis. So that comes in handy if you have a lot of holes that you need to drill normal to an irregular surface. And if you're in the premium 5-axis configuration, now you can do that with the 5-axis hole making.